Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on RNDR token. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big rising wedge pattern that has been formed after breaking out this big down channel and this smaller rising wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the previous month's trading signals report in the video's description. And you just need to open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade signal for Luna coin, you just need to click on the link. It will take you to the trading views chart. And there is a play button on every trading views chart. You just need to click that play button like I'm doing this. And after clicking that play button, it will show you how the price then moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was, by the way, quite big pump on this 4-hour time frame. Now, let me to take you first on this 4-hour time frame chart. And here we can see that render is moving inside this rising wedge pattern since after 10th of May 2023. And you can see we have stable ejections by the resistance and stable bounces from the support as well. And now the price line is again bounced from this support and moving towards the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. Now, for example, if the price then breaks down the support, then the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at $1.65. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside can be here that will be approximately at $3.81. Now, for example, if the price then reaches at $3.81, then there will be a very high probability that it may also break out this huge rising wedge pattern that is formed on this weekly time frame chart. And you can see after testing the support of the rising wedge pattern, this bigger rising wedge pattern, it has also broken out this very big and huge resistance of $2. And now after breaking out this big rising wedge pattern, the move can be very huge. And I'm really waiting for that move, for that breakout. If it will be able to break it out, then the move can be approximately at $15. And that target is, you can see, above the target and bigger than this target of the big down channel because the breakout for this breakout, the target was here at the top of the channel that was between $8 to $10, and you can see that it is above than that target, this $15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.